Morning update December 6th, 2025, 9 a.m. New York. The field shifted again between 7 a.m. and 9 a.m., and the charts are telling a very clean story. Last night's blowout left a visible fingerprint on every layer of the Schumann system. But this morning is moving into a different phase. Stabilization with pockets of subtle uplift. On the main spectrogram, the intensity from yesterday still shows as a bright vertical burn in the center of the chart. Everything after that point, leading into early today, has settled into calmer blues with thin green bands. This is what a recovery mode typically looks like. The system is not wiped out. It is simply reorganizing itself after being hit hard. Amplitude remains low at 487, confirming this drop in turbulence. There are no new spikes trying to break through. Instead, you see flatter, more uniform lines. That is the nervous system of the planet smoothing itself out. Frequency 1 sits at 7.81 Hz, just under baseline, and that position always comes with a certain emotional sensitivity. You may feel quieter, like the noise of the world dimmed a little. This usually creates a softer internal environment where intuition flows in more freely. The Q factor still holds around 6.3, so the field has life in it. There is movement behind the scenes, but not the kind that throws people off. This is the kind that helps people integrate, recalibrate, and regain clarity after a heavy energy cycle. The electromagnetic background charts from both Tomsk and Kumiana are showing nearly identical signatures: calmer, stable, low turbulence. This is the type of pattern where internal insights start landing. The system becomes coherent enough for people to feel grounded again. The Kumiana multi-layer charts show that the electric and magnetic bands from yesterday's flare activity have dissipated dramatically. The activity now sits in a soft, organized pattern with small red pulses that are more like background murmurs than disruptive spikes. Overall, this morning is a cooling phase with clarity rising. The storm is over. The dust is settling. The mind becomes sharper when the field does this. If yesterday felt chaotic, emotional, or heavy, today you will likely notice the opposite: processing, peace, and a renewed sense of direction. These calmer Schumann mornings tend to support decision-making, communication, and getting back on your own internal rhythm.